Hey y'all, I got something a little different for you today. I'm going to be showing you how you install a Magpul enhanced mag release on an AR15. It's very simple and easy, don't need any special tools, and it's fairly cheap, around 20 bucks to do. So let's go ahead and get started with it and see what we got to do. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to come in here on the rifle. You're going to take your thumb and push in on your mag release button as hard as you can. And you're just going to go ahead and unthread the bar from the other side. Okay. And don't let that spring go flying. You just want to very carefully release that. Okay. And then you're going to go ahead and reverse the process. You're going to take the bar and you're going to go ahead and put it back in the rifle. There. Put your spring in. You're going to take your new button and you're going to put it with this portion facing out, the one with the little like key, so to speak. And you're going to go ahead and press it in like we did before, same as when we took it out. Gonna go ahead and press it in like that. Press it in as hard as you can. Get it started. And what you want to do is you want to thread this thing in. Just a little more than that. You want to press it in as hard as you can. So you can thread this thing together nice and tight. Like that. Okay. And then what you're going to do, you're going to come in here and take your mag release button, like so. We put it either way. Should go back this way. You'll take the supplied screws. I'm using a T10 driver. And all you got to do is just start your screws. Very simple. Tighten up your screws. And there you go. That is your Magpul enhanced mag release button installed. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment, and I will do my best to get back to you as quick as I can.